not connection. Why you dancing like some diamonds around my question? Finna lose all this greatness, your obsession. Should probably always wear long sleeve. When you wear your heart.
Hello my beautiful and handsome people. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be reviewing this hair from Aliexpress. It's from Queenlife hair, and usually guys I just buy wigs and just apply them myself, just install them myself, but this time I got my hairdresser to install it for me because it's a frontal. It's 3 bundles and a frontal. It's a sew-in, and I can't sew in my hair myself, so I got my hairdresser to sew it in for me. This is the first time me getting a frontal sew-in. So guys, I'm gonna get into the specs and stuff and everything about this hair after I show you my hairdresser installing this for me, and I'm gonna put her details, her Instagram page, in the description if you guys want to follow her, see her different hairstyles. She braids, she does weave, she makes wigs, everything. So guys, follow her at Paula's Hair on Instagram. I'm gonna put her Instagram in the description, so stay tuned guys for me getting this hair installed. So guys, I had a great experience at the hairdresser getting this hair installed. I'm used to going to her anyway. We're good friends, yeah. So we were chatting, having fun, you know, just having a good time, good old time at the hairdresser. But yeah, guys, this is a 20-inch frontal, and the bundles are 24, 26, and 28. So it's pretty long, you know. I'm loving the inches, guys. Yeah, but it's a straight Brazilian, yeah, I think it's straight Brazilian hair. And yeah, it came in like natural black color, but I kind of dyed it a kind of a burgundy color. I don't know if you can see in the light, but it's kind of a really dark burgundy. That's good enough for me. I didn't want it too red anyway, so I'm glad the color it came out. In the sun, you just see the red popping, guys. But this is nice and subtle for me, so yeah. I actually love this hair. Yeah, and so what I did was, we was gonna use like gold spawns, or is it bold hold she had? Yeah, I think it was bold hold, but she was kind of scaring me, like, you know, because I was kind of scared of my edges and stuff. So I just said, you know what, let me just use the normal Gots to Be to stick it on, and then when it comes on, I just reapply it myself. Because yeah, guys, I'm just very scared of my edges. I don't have much to begin with, so I don't want to lose anymore. Yeah. So guys, yeah, so the hair I ordered it on the 18th of, when was it? Was it January? Yeah, the 18th of January, and then I received it on the 22nd. So guys, that was really quick. Like, they sent it out so fast. I mean, I was so happy. Yeah, I was so happy it came so quickly. So then I just ran to my hairdresser and got my hair styled. Yeah, but it's pretty long, and it's soft, and it straightens like a dream, guys. I mean, I love how it straightens. It has this little shedding, you know, but not too much. I think because I dyed it as well, and I dyed it so many times just to get the color to stick like the burgundy kind of color, because I was trying out the non-bleach method. So yeah, I had to dye it like a couple of times to get the color, but it all worked out in the end and the way I liked it. So yeah, am I missing anything else about this hair? Like, yeah, but you guys can let me know anything else that I haven't said. Let me know what you want to know down in the comments anyway. But yeah, it came pre-plucked, but I plucked it a little bit more, you know. Those, I laid my edges down. Yeah, 13 by 6, ear to ear, frontal. So yeah, guys. Oh yeah, and these are the lashes that came with the hair. They sent me some lashes, and they look quite cute. They're not my usual long lashes, but sometimes you don't have to always have long 25 millimeter, you know, sometimes I like to be casual sometimes. Yeah, they look cute. They're cute. Yeah, guys, so let me know what you think down below of this hair. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow my hairdresser at Paula's Hair. I put her Instagram down below in the description, and I'll put the link to this hair in the description also, so you guys can purchase it if you want to. Yeah, so let me know what you think down below of this hair in the comments. I said that already, I know. So let me go. Love you all. Take care. Bye.